Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, guys? It's the homie Bigg Vic, and we're back in here with another video. And today I am checking out the FAT50 organic character rack extension from Reason. And well, actually it's a rack extension through Reason, but it's from SKP. Not exactly sure who they are, but this plugin is giving my drums some life, and it's not that expensive. So if you guys are looking for a plugin to beef up your drums, any of your drums, beef up a bass, maybe give it some organic warmth, this is a great rack extension that's within Reason. You can demo this rack extension and see if it works for you. See if you hear a difference in your drums. What I'm gonna do is jump right into Reason 11 and let you guys hear what it's done for my drums for this particular track, and see if you can hear the difference in the warmth. And it has some presets in here that you guys can go through, you know, kind of go in and manipulate some of the settings in here and see if it works for your drums. So let's get it. So what I'm gonna do is play the drums really quickly, let you guys hear the drums in their raw state, and we're gonna add the FAT50 organic character rack extension and see what it does for the drums. Let's go. Put the headphones on. All right, so that's the drums pretty much, and I dropped this on my whole drum track. All I did was added it as an effects unit and armed it. And let's bypass. I'll take the bypass off. Let's turn it on now. And let's turn it, bypass it again. So it's making them sound fat and pretty chunky, in my honest opinion, and they sound a lot warmer to me, and it's giving my drums a little more character. So far I like this rack extension. I am demoing this rack extension. I haven't purchased it yet, and I believe it is on sale, if I'm not mistaken, let's go back to it. I believe it's on sale. Of course, Black Friday deals are jumping right now. $35. So you can buy this for $35. I'm thinking that's the regular price. So they are running some sales on these plugins. So right now, you guys can get it for $35. And let's I'm gonna bring this track in so y'all can hear. I also added it to my hyper bottom, just to give my hyper bottom a little more oomph on this beat. So let me bring in these instruments, let y'all hear this track real quick. Oh yeah, shout out to Busta Rhymes. This track was inspired by the new Busta Rhymes album. Has some fire beats on it right now. Quiet as Kept. That album right now, I feel, it's probably album of the year for hip hop. The new Busta Rhymes joint. It's fire, straight fire. Oh yeah, let's bring that hyper bottom in right about now. Let's go. So I can definitely hear and feel the difference in my drums using this FAT50 organic character. So if you want to beef up those drums, go check out the FAT50, add it to your arsenal. And here's some of the different plugins. Let's bring the drums back up. Not plugins, but some of the different presets that you can go through. So let's just listen to some of them. This one is the bottoms up. Let's change it. So got presets in here. You can also go in here and basically adjust the settings to your liking, to whatever flavor you want to put on your drums. You can do that using the FAT50 organic character rack extension inside of Reason. I think it's dope. If you don't have nothing to beef up your drums right now, helping you add more character to them, go check it out, guys. I think this is dope. Drums are knocking. It definitely works. It's cheap. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg for it. But go check it out. It's the homie Bigg Vic, man. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment below, man. If you're digging the track, thumbs it up. Drop a comment. Let me know what y'all guys think. If you're already using this rack extension, let me know down below in the comments, man. It's the homie Bigg Vic. Until the next video, always hustle, never stop growing, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace.